First of all, a very happy new year to Ticker viewer. Today we will be looking for a weekly bullion outlook. Since last 1 week period, we have seen bullion market is trading in a very narrow range as market is suffering from low volume on account of New Year holiday and Christmas holiday up till last week. We have seen new instance of coronavirus has been found in UK, and after that some uncertainty is still prevailing in the market. That has supported gold prices, and prices are very well placed above 1870 in international, whereas on domestic side prices are very well trading near to 50,000 level mark. Overall, this week is going to be very choppy as in the absence of any economical data, prices are expected to trade in a very narrow range. But medium term and long term outlook still remain very much bullish for gold and silver. In last 1 week period, we have seen gold prices traded in a very narrow range, holding very well above 50,000 level mark, whereas some support has been seen in silver prices, where prices have gained by more than 1.5% to trade near to 68,500 level. Overall, we expect gold is going to be on a positive side for next 1 month, as concern from COVID-19 is still prevailing in the market. No doubt, on the hopes of vaccines that has been rolled out in US, UK and European market, that will definitely reduce the stress or pain what we have seen in Q3 and Q4. But overall, economy numbers are not so much supportive. Also, dollar index has dropped below 90 level mark. All these factors will continue to support gold in January month also. We expect gold prices in next 1 week period, due to holiday mood, prices is going to be trade in a very narrow range, but maybe we can see prices moving towards 51,000 on domestic market and 1910 in international market. Coming on silver, as much of the support has been seen from the base metal, where prices has gained very sharply on the hope of new stimulus that has been announced in US, is been supporting base metal prices and silver also. Technically also, prices holding very well above 66,000 level mark, that can test silver to the new high of almost 70,000 to 71,000 what we have seen 1 month back. Overall, we expect one should go with a long position in gold and silver for a target objective of 51,000 for gold and silver around 71,000, but slightly be cautious as holiday mood is there, volumes would be slightly lower and no much economical data point is also reflecting in the market. In last 1 week period, we have seen greater volatility coming back in energy counter. We have seen crude prices traded with a positive bias, but in last couple of days prices again dropped, and right now trading with a 0.5% fall in last 1 week period. We have seen technically market has breached $50 mark for Brent crude. Overall, we expect crude prices is going to be on a positive side. Maybe we can see prices moving towards $55 in international, and domestic market also we have seen prices moved in a range of 3400 to 3600 level. From the data side, we have already seen inventory data has slightly supported crude oil prices. Overall, we are expecting important would be the COVID-19 update, as new instance for COVID-19 has been seen in UK, that has slightly tempered the energy demand because of restrictions on major air traffic from UK, that can slightly dent the demand. But traders are eyeing for 4th January OPEC meet. Most probably there is a hopes going on in the market that OPEC can think of production cut, but production gain. But overall, we expect, looking to the demand side, there should not be any change in related with the production, and maybe in the next meet in the February or March we can see some production hike. Overall, we expect prices are going to be in a choppy range only because holiday mode is prevailing in the market. Crude on domestic market can trade in a choppy range of 3400 to 3650, whereas natural gas prices, all of a sudden we have seen prices collapse after last week's inventory data. Prices drop nearly more than 10%, and prices gone below 170 level mark. No doubt by Tuesday and Wednesday some recovery has been seen in natural gas prices. Right now prices are trading near to 180 level. On the heat of warmer weather in US, prices has taken this toll, and still we expect inventory is going to be slightly showing a build up in today's session. Overall, we expect natural gas prices is going to be trading with a higher volatility in next 1 week period, despite holiday mood prevailing in the market. Traders can trade with a positive bias for crude oil. Whatever drop toward 38, 34.50, 34.80 is good to buy, targeting 36.50 up till next week. Whereas crude oil price, natural gas prices, we expect prices are going to be on a volatility ground. 170 to 190 should be the broader range. Whatever drop towards 172 would be the first fair price to take a long position. Unless and until prices are holding above 166, we can see a bounce up to 180 to 188 level in next 1 week period. Thank you. In base metal prices, we have already started with a December month with a great bounce back, but on the higher side, much of the time we have seen prices are getting stiff resistant. From the fundamental side, we have already seen this stimulus from US and other countries has been supportive for base metal prices. In fact, we have seen some good ground step from government Bank of China also, that has supported base metal prices. Chinese New Year is due by January end, and it is expected that order books are quite good. In fact, we have seen number of data point from China that resemble that things have been now going in a positive direction. Overall, after the last week rally, this week we have seen some profit booking hit in base metal prices after the new instant of coronavirus has impacted the sentiments. Overall, we expect a longer term and medium term outlook still remain bullish, but due to the technical already we have seen that prices has rallied very well in last 3 months period. Technically, things have been slightly overbought. Slight pullback could be possible for all base metal prices. Look into the holiday mood also, and in the absence of any data point, some pullback is expected during this week. Coming on copper first, multiple of time we have seen copper gain, but failed to hold about 620 level. Unless and until 620 doesn't break, we can see a pullback towards 590, 588 for copper. Zinc, we are more bullish for quarter 1. Look into the supply side and inventory data. But unless and until prices doesn't break and hold about 220 level, a pullback towards 210, 212 could be possible. Similar kind of fall we have seen in nickel prices, as there is a relaxation in the prices of iron ore and stainless steel. That is why prices has dropped sharply. We still expect prices is going to be on a negative side. We have seen almost 5.5% fall in nickel prices. Maybe we can see a further fall towards 1200 level mark. That could be a fair price for nickel prices to take a long again. Coming on lead prices, out of all base metal prices, lead prices gained by nearly 1.5%. Still, we expect prices are going to be in a choppy range. Whereas aluminium prices already gained by already rallied very well towards 165. Now prices are under profit booking. Maybe a pullback towards 158, 157 could be possible for aluminium prices. In all, if we sum up for base metal, in the absence of any economical data and holiday mood, we may see some temporary pullback in first week of January in base metal prices, and overall medium term outlook still remain bullish for base metal prices.